Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's programming. It's the system your brain uses to decide what matters, what's worth effort, and what gets ignored. And if you don't control that system, it controls you. Every time you scroll, every time you check your phone, every time you open a new tab, your brain gets a hit, a tiny chemical signal that says, yes, that was good, do it again. That signal is dopamine. Dopamine isn't evil, it's essential. Without it, you wouldn't chase goals, build skills, or improve your life. The problem isn't dopamine itself. The problem is how often and how cheaply your brain is flooded with it. Because when dopamine becomes cheap, effort becomes painful. Your brain starts to associate effort with discomfort and reward with escape. And that changes everything. That's why studying feels impossible. Not hard, impossible. That's why focus disappears in minutes. Your brain is searching for the next hit. That's why motivation only shows up when a deadline is threatening you. Pressure becomes the only thing strong enough to compete with dopamine. But here's the truth most people miss. Dopamine is not pleasure. Dopamine is anticipation. It's the feeling before the reward, the urge, the pull, the just one more impulse. It's your brain saying this is worth pursuing. When your brain expects constant rewards, likes, messages, short videos, notifications, it stops valuing slow rewards, growth, learning, mastery, deep work, things that matter long-term but don't pay instantly. So when there's no immediate payoff, no buzz, no stimulation, your brain resists. It feels restless, irritated, bored. Not because you're weak, but because your brain learned a different rule. Modern life hijacks dopamine, short videos, endless feeds, infinite scroll. They train your brain to expect maximum reward for minimal effort. And once that expectation is set, reading feels heavy, studying feels dull, building something meaningful feels exhausting before you even start. So when effort is required, reading, studying, creating, building, your brain quietly asks, why do this? When pleasure is one swipe away. This is why willpower alone doesn't work. You're not fighting laziness. You're fighting conditioning, and you don't break conditioning with a motivation. You break it with structure. Try this for 1 week, not forever, not extreme, just 1 week. 1, no phone for the first hour of your day. Let your brain wake up without stimulation. 2, do the hardest task first. Teach your brain that effort comes before reward. 3, study or work in silence. Remove artificial stimulation. 4, delay rewards until after effort. Not during, not before. At first, it feels uncomfortable. You'll feel restless, unfocused, slightly irritated. That discomfort isn't failure. That discomfort is dopamine recalibrating. It's your brain learning a new rule. And on the other side of that discomfort is clarity, is focus, is control. Effort feels lighter. Attention lasts longer. And discipline stops feeling like force. Dopamine doesn't define you. Your standards do. What you allow yourself to enjoy, what you delay, what you reward. When you raise the standard for what earns dopamine, focus returns. Effort feels natural. Discipline becomes automatic. His channel is about building that standard, about choosing depth over distraction, control over impulse, growth over comfort. Subscribe if you're ready to take back your attention and shape your future on purpose.